Okay. Hello. Okay, let's do some quick scalp. Okay, this is 1 hour, and this is where we got 12 hours from this bearish. It's about to end, but this is still sideways. 1 hour is growing up, but there's bearish divergence sideways. This is crossing again up, so possibly it's going to break this one. This is 15 minutes. Okay, so it's going up, still room to go, breaking this. Let's go to 5 minutes over here. Okay, this is oversold, overbought, sideways, and crossing again. So let's go to 1 minute. This is 1 minute. So we've got here let's first set this is a good hammer starting. So let's say the first area of interest is more or less this one. This is 5, then this is 3 now. But if we go over here, got, okay, so we know our areas now are this one, this one. Okay, you want, I think it's impossible to pass this. Okay, in fact this is strong resistance and weak resistance. Now are, we change here over here, we know this and this one. This one and this one. Okay, there's no volume over here, so this is it. So this, we have here a lot of this, and we've got here this trend line first, absolutely broken. So I think I'm going to remove this, and we have now this one, and this one. Okay, so I think it's possible that price goes over here, and if it breaks, we can switch now to 15 minutes here. We've got this one is the same. Okay, so this one is the same, should be enough to stop, and if not, I'm going to promote this to replace to this area more or less. Okay, so I'm going to, this channel is also only speculative channel, but I like to look for confluences, so this should be the channel. Okay, more or less the middle part, so this area is a good target now. So this is 5 minutes. 5 minutes is clearly overextended, but 15, so it's possible that we see another up here, and this could be a good opportunity to long and make a little profit. So let's wait, in this case in 1 minute, but it's clearly bullish. Let's wait in case it's possible. I'm going to switch to 3 minutes. That's going to be enough to enter. So it's time to short in this case. 3 minutes here. This is bullish, so it's okay, but the other signs we got overextended the 3 minutes and the 5 minutes. So let's enter. Let's try to enter a trade on feeble level over here. This is 5, this is 6. Okay, so we've got the opportunity to try to enter here, here. I think it's enough, this, so let's try to enter here at night past 1 29 plus 5, 9, 25 leverage and 2000. Okay, that is the start, the short position. Remember, overextended. I know this is the resistance. I know this is a trend line, so it's possible the price is going to retest this one first here, but if not, we're going to follow the indicators. Okay, so I don't know if I am entering or not. It's possible difficult to enter because it's growing. You don't need to pay attention to this, but I thank you, FIP. I'm trying to explain this way. So I don't know, maybe it's going to be difficult. I'm trying to do it fast. I'm not entering 2000. So let's continue to do the analysis. So this is third. So we've got here, clear overextended after this bounce. Maybe it's going left one up. Maybe it's one up, so I don't think it's not. I think I should change my position to this area. Yes, I think so. So I'm switching to 97 and sell short. I prefer not entering that rather than entering too early. Okay, so it's clear. I prefer now entering a short position in this case. Where would you put a stop? So I'm not stopping now because I prefer to follow my trade, but if I wasn't if I was scalping, the stop would be above safe, above this EMA. Okay, this EMA. But if you saw it yesterday, price can go very fast up and then down. So I prefer to see the volume, to see if volume follow the up, in my case, going on the other side. That's when I close my trade. That was my plan. So this is not moving. No, in this case I switch my entry because if you see there's this clear, and if you see the 7, this area is plenty of candlestick. So it's safer to put it that way, with a confluence of Fibonacci and trend line, than entry now. Okay, it's going up. Let's see if it fills my entry. Maybe not. Look at now, there's a resistance here. Feel it? I think it's feel it. It's not feel it. Okay, yes, it's feel it. Yes, it's going up. I saw position. So let's see the volume. One is greater. Trying to break the two. Broken. Big candlestick. Let's see the 12 hour. It's safer. It's here. Stop loss could be above this area. Okay. Now it's trying to break the trend line. So you can see it's less. Now it's about to close it. It's less than this one and this one. So it's still not there. It's the first big resistance. I couldn't put my entry here, but I don't want to cut tops. So when I put resistance, it's more than a reference than entry points. Let's see how is the behavior of the bulls and bears. Now we got the 30 minutes overextended. You know, this or overextended. Even 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 5 minutes low is breaking. This case. Okay. Just now in the middle part of the channel, this should be enough if there's no body to that, because bulls are going to start to taking profits, and if there's no strength to beat the resistance, the price is going down at least to that level, if not going to that level. Okay, you know that the trend is still okay. So broken. That's what I say. If you put the stop loss in this case, you can be cut and then price going down. So we've got $26 up, $16 up, or $20 up, and so let's remove this trend line that is not doing anything. Let's remove this trend line and switch to the that this is space. This is not doing anymore, so price could even go to that level. Okay, so that was my resistance area. Remember, when I am scalping, I'm not using like price stop loss. I put my resistance and I decide if I should enter a new trade, double sizing, or waiting or closing my trade. In this case, seems that the resistance is acting now, more or less a weak rejection. In this case, still weak. It should be good if closes this below this. So good evening star, shooting star, candlestick below the resistance, below the middle part of my channel. So the question is, should I enter now a new entry to displace my entry to this level? I don't think so. Why? Because this reaction is good, but I prefer preserve my entry in this level. Okay. And remember, I always have the backup. If you try to always make good trades, perfect trades, I mean, you are going to get wrecked easily. So you need the backup. You build a story, a market story, and then you decide to enter. So I entered almost at 7,200, but price at this moment is over me and changing my trend line. Okay, remove my trend line, and now I've got a channel where price can go over here. I don't think so, because this is more than 70 to 50, and if we move to the 12 hour, this is the 21 EMA, and this is stopping the price closing any candle from 48 hours. So this is strong enough, so I could enter a new here, but maybe this is enough. I mean, look, the 15 candle about to end is way below this, and if you go to the 5 candle, this is good, but maybe this last one is a rejection candle with good volume. And if we go to the 3 minutes, this candle of rejection is bigger than this one. So now bears are taking control. I know this is still going up. This is the retracement. So this candle finally switched to black one, and it's driving the price down. So patient. This is the key. This RSI needs to correct now. This stochastic is going away from, so in this case usually the price is going to go to this level. So let's study the retracement that can happen over here. We know this could be a retracement, we know this is area of interest. So this area, even to this area. Okay, look now, this 0.78 oxy should be more than enough to stop the price. Okay, so let's see how it develops. Trying again the bulls, but the strength now is a lot less, and time is running out for 2 bulls. One more candle here and should correct. Let's see, first one, this is the only Fibo that can scare me. Okay, because this is a good one with the EMAs, and if bears can't control the price at this level. I'm not used to trade in 3 minutes, but I think it's faster from the to the views. Ten seconds to close and volume is low. So maybe this is building some kind of wedge or ascendant channel before going down. This is my theory, of course, my opinion. This is not rules. So look how this candle stopped at 15 minutes here. So this area should be more than enough to stop the bulls. Okay, volume is growing here. That's 1.5 minutes and it's growing faster more than this one. So this is going good for pairs at this moment. Okay, engulfing. Okay, this is an engulfing candle on 3 minutes. After a reaction candle, trying to push up. This is an engulfing, it's about to end, and the volume in this engulfing is pretty bigger than this one, with indicators overextended, and this histogram going down. That means the price needs to test the FIBO levels. Remember, I am not worried about this one. I am worried about this one. If this one is not possible to stop the price, for me it's possible to achieve these lower levels where I'm going to exit my trade. No response by the bulls at this moment. 10 seconds to end. And that, okay, so volume engulfing, indicators going down, oscillators going down, volume is with me, and let's see. Minutes overextended here, and I think there's okay. We have here kind of bearish divergence point, I don't know. Okay, so let's go. Remember, this is the place I need to see if it's going okay or not, my trade. effect here. Oh my god, always like that. Remember, this is a small part of my portfolio. I mean, I am doing just for showing how I trade. And look, it's going to be difficult for me when I close my BitMEX trade to be here and there, but I can do it in other window, I think. So I'm still thinking how to do it. So okay, it's going down now. It has no strength, so probably it's going to bounce a little bit. Now okay, now bears have no volume here. Okay, so it's usually bulls are need to take a little bit of control here. But if bulls can't draw this the price here, price is going to come here. Now we know in 20 minutes it's going to close the hour candle is going to close, I think, the 4-hour candle, and I think the 12-hour candle. So we will pay attention about the volume and the closure. Okay. Don't forget to follow me on DLive, please, because when I need to grow in every social media. This is my target this first half of the year, and if not achieving my goals, I don't know if I could. I have the strength to follow my plans. So now we are in. I know this is what's going to happen. But bulls are missing. Okay, so bulls need to be here, and they are not here. So probably the price is going directly to this level. That is 5 minutes 21 EMA. Okay, it's going to close. If it closes, and this level is going to go down because bulls are missing. Changing the candlestick. Anyways, it's Sunday, so Sunday it's the New Year. So I guess volume is lower and lower on the BYBIT. Okay, 1 minute, and this stochastic is going to cross over in 15 minutes, and histogram I'm going to decrease, and this is going to, it's not a divergence but almost, but it's going, MACD is going to decrease the histogram, this is going to cross over, and this is going to go outside the trend. It's probable in 30 seconds. Let's see. The price is just stopping here, it's not even going up. I don't know if next candle is going to be, I think next 3 minutes candle is going to be big one. Let's see what, and this is going again to cross, this is still on the bull side, this is going to cross over, so kind of mixed signals now on 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. This candle should be important. Come on, move, move, move. Okay, let's, just in case this drop, let's put the cross by limit, hold position, 8-1. I like this of BYBIT. It's better than on BitMEX. Okay, this candle was bullshit. But it works, like the crossover is going to happen. Just kind of break out of this trend line. That is correspond with this one. This could be an anticipation. This I should go here and then come back. But there's no response by anybody here. Okay, it's dropping now. Okay, let's see this FIBO 21 EMA. Let's see, because there's going to be a response here for sure. Look, this volume candle, but most part of the candle is here, even in 21 in 3 minutes. I don't like this. I don't like this. this support is gaining strength because this very little support, not little but not acting as a resistance here, and now it's acting as a support. Okay, let's see. Now, okay, this is the important one. This is the important one, and I need to see acting. Well, but bulls are running out of time. 10 minutes to close the higher time frames. The higher time frames candlestick with in a very bad shape. Look, that's this rejection candle. Okay. Oh, perfect. This was perfect for me. Okay. Perfect. Okay, look at the reaction candle here. 1 hour. First, push the price below the 21 EMA. Pushing below this. Okay. And close it. Oops. Okay, oh my god, look at that. How beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? How was clear? This was clear. Okay, did you see this? Did you see this? That's fantastic. I closed over here, but I told you that here was the important one. I could try to put this one, but why? Why I need to take the risk? So perfect. I've got my reward. I don't know. The reward was wow. I don't know. Very low. Supposed to be. Let me see. 26. Remember, I'm using limits, so bit by bit pays me. Was kind of here, and I got coming out here, more or less. 0.27, but I'm leverage. Remember, so 0.22, 23. Sorry. 0.23 plus multiply by 25, 5%. It's 5%. 5%, almost 6% in my trade. Okay, let's redo this because now we've got so this is an example. Okay, so look the 1 hour. Okay, this channel is going to break. It's not a channel, you know, but this tendency should break this trend line here. So switch to 15. Put again the trend line. Okay. Oh, now should be. So we see to wait for the bounce and re-entering. Okay, but I want to do some. Okay, when I see another opportunity I will come back. I need to do some stuff, so thank you to be here as usual, and see you again. I hope you like this. I hope you help my what I do trade, and I hope this price is finally breaking the support, because I want to take my profits on BitMEX and start trading on BitMEX again. Okay, so see you, and thanks again being here. Don't forget to follow me. This social trading media needs to grow to 200 followers to be something in the social media, so it's my goal in 6 months. Okay, I'm being more active on Twitter and now here, but it's very time consuming doing that trading and so on. So thank you to be here, and see you on the channel.